Most people assume they need to save hundreds every month to get ahead financially. But the truth is, it's not about the amount, it's about the habit. Even something as small as $5 a week can make a real difference. Let's say every Friday, $5 is automatically transferred into a savings account. That's just one habit, done consistently. It doesn't feel like much at first, maybe less than the cost of one takeaway coffee. But over time, that small move creates a safety net. It becomes a habit that builds confidence and momentum. This works because small habits feel easy. There's no pressure, no stress. And once the habit is in place, it naturally grows. After a while, the same $5 routine can be applied to savings, investments, or even debt payments, without it feeling overwhelming. It's not about having a huge income. It's about creating small, automatic systems that run in the background. $5 every week becomes over $250 in a year, without trying. So instead of aiming for perfection or waiting to save more, start with what's doable. $5 is enough to build a lifelong money habit. And that's where the real transformation begins. No spreadsheets required. Just one small action, repeated every week. Follow Mind to Money 2024 for more simple, proven tips to grow money confidence and financial peace of mind.